In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ownership of a folder in Google Drive. This process is incredibly useful for anyone who needs to shift control of files, whether it's for handing over a project or simply reorganizing your digital workspace. Let's dive right in. To begin, you need to first navigate to Google Drive and log in using the account that currently owns the folder, which we'll refer to as Account A. Once you're logged in, peruse through your drive to locate the specific folder whose ownership you intend to transfer. Now, this might be a folder containing collaborated work or personal files, and will guide you on how to securely pass it over to another account. With the folder located, move your cursor and right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options. Here, you're going to choose Share. Clicking on Share will bring up a sharing settings window. The purpose behind this is to make it visible to the new account, which will later assume ownership. Next, in the sharing settings, you'll need to enter the email address of the account you want to transfer ownership to. This account, which we'll call Account B, will eventually become the new owner. Enter this email address carefully in the text box provided and click on the Share button. Doing so sends an invitation for collaboration to Account B. If you'd like, you can add a short message to clarify that you're initiating an ownership transfer. After sending the invite, you should see a list of people with access to the folder. Here, find Account B's email in that list. Initially, Account B is set as an editor. You need to change this role, so click on the drop-down arrow next to the editor label and select Make Owner. This step is crucial. It designates Account B as the new primary controller of the folder. Google will prompt you to confirm this action with a dialog box titled Transfer Ownership. Confirm the ownership transfer by clicking OK or Transfer Ownership. After confirmation, Account B now holds ownership of the folder. This ownership transfer ensures Account A relinquishes control and Account B gains full administrative capability over the folder, including adjustments to permissions and further transferring rights. To wrap things up, click on Done in the sharing settings window. This step finalizes the configuration and exits you from the Share Settings menu. With these straightforward steps, you've seamlessly transferred ownership of your folder in Google Drive. This feature is particularly helpful for business transitions or when sharing long-term projects with team members. If you found this walkthrough helpful, be sure to refer back anytime you need to manage your Google Drive resources. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow.